2025 Volvo XC40 oil life reset. All right, car's running right now. We're gonna turn the car off. I'm gonna go over what to do, then I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, with the car off, you're gonna hold down this minus sign, foot off the brake, engine start stop 3 times. It'll tell you to start the car, continue holding the minus sign. You're gonna look at the cluster, you're gonna look at this corner up in here. You're gonna wait for an eye to start flashing. As soon as it starts flashing, let go of the minus and it'll reset the maintenance. It will tell you if you did it correctly. All right, so let's do this really quick. All right, turn this guy off. Hold down minus. Engine start stop 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It says press the brake pedal to start. Started it up, still holding minus, waiting for my eye symbol. Let go, maintenance reminder reset. All right, you might have to do this a couple times to get it. It takes a little bit of timing. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. That's what allows me to make these videos for you guys. And if you want to see more Volvo content, hit subscribe.